Hello learners, happy winters and welcome back to the mini-series on Ministers of Connection, that is preposition. As we will move forward towards the finale of the series, we will come across many advanced uses of the prepositions. And today we will learn how to use one single preposition in several situations and their uses separately or with other prepositions in real sentences. So without any delay, let's start. Our first set of prepositions today are in, on and at. We have already learnt about them and their uses in the previous class of preposition of time and preposition of place. Let's recall a bit. In the case of preposition of time, in is used for months, years, and longer times. On is used for days and dates, whereas at is used for exact times. On the other hand, preposition of places use them in a different way. In is used for inside something. On is used for above something, touching the surface, and at is used for exact location or point. Today, we will learn their combined uses in real sentences. When I say, I play in the park in the evening, here the first in is indicating the place, whereas the second in is indicating the time. Similarly, when I say, in the morning she studied in her room, here the first in is indicating time and the second in is indicating the place. Now, let's check this sentence yourself when you put in the blanks. They work dash the office dash the afternoon. Here is a sentence. On Mondays we play on the playground. The first on shows the day and the second on shows the surface or place. Similarly, when I say my birthday is on beach on 8th June, the first on here is telling the venue and the second on is telling the date. Now, check this sentence yourself, how it sounds when you put on in the blanks. There was a cat lying dash the garden table dash Sunday morning. In similar way, at is also used in two different ways in these sentences. At 6 a.m. I wake up at my home. Here the first at is showing the exact time and the second at is showing the exact place. Let's check another sentence. We meet at the station at night. Here also, at is used to show the exact point of time and exact location in the sentence. Now it's your turn. Fill the blanks with at and see how it sounds. The show starts dash screen 2 dash 8 p.m. Let's take this class to a little more advanced level. Here we will use these prepositions randomly to make meaningful sentences. I had my breakfast in the kitchen at 7 a.m. Here, the place is indicated by in and time is shown by at. Because kitchen is an enclosed area and at is indicating the exact point of time. Let's check another sentence. On Sundays we go to church in the city center. Have you ever noticed that when preposition of time and preposition of place are used in a single sentence, the time is always indicated with the preposition at? Why? Let's dig into it. This happens because when we are speaking about an event's particular time, we are indicating the exact point of time when the event is starting or ending. So we are just being specific in those sentences. Let's check our progress. On your screen there will be some sentences and let's solve them together. I sleep dash my room dash night. I sleep in my room at night. We play football dash stadium dash Sundays. We play football in stadium on Sundays. The train arrive dash the station dash 9 a.m. The train arrive at the station at 9 a.m. Dash Mondays I have class dash the evening. On Mondays I have class in the evening. There is a free PDF notes available on this class in the description box. Go check it. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share and comment to support my channel, and to get more real English learning tips, subscribe.